dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with reports we go like share give the general public. And this informates my good people now about the things and things we they play for inside Edo State. And no be like countrymen for inside Edo State matter don't tire there, no be small. Men now don dey complain say police and jaguda men don dey do turn by turn for inside Edo State. Today you go hear say police arrest unknown gunmen. Tomorrow you go hear say unknown gunmen kpai innocent men. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense at all at all. Now reports don dey ground say gunmen now don go give RIP to one woman, and the gunmen come adopt the husband of the woman wey dem give RIP in an attack wey come last spark outrage across the area. Now sources dey yarn say this incident so wey no nice, this incident so wey no make sense at all. E occur around 8 p.m. Normally at this hour, men don dey arrange to enter inside because they don dey jack already. But jaguda men now they come see am as the opportunity now to come invade the residence of one Mr. Arimazoya Abuna. And as they invade the house, the jaguda men come give the man wife bullet for neck before they come drag the man enter bush. One of the sources now, one of the country people wey observe how the matter take play, come dey yarn dey give news agency of Nigeria on Tuesday. Say neighbors wey observe how the matter take play, neighbors wey hear gunshots, they just rush go the scene only to go find the woman lie down for ground, life no dey. The woman don kpai. The sources come dey yarn say the husband of the deceased, so them believe 100, say im go dey around his 70s, and already the jaguda men don whisk this man comot. That is before neighbors go run reach the scene of the crime. The jaguda men wey commit the atrocity don already kidnap the man. And this incident so e occur on the 18th day of May for inside this year, so wey be 2025. And no be like say when anything happen, men just stand around looking confused and all that. No. In a desperate attempt to rescue the abducted man, community youth come mobilize and they come pursue the gunmen inside the forest. But their effort no yield any result. Their efforts no yield any success because they no last find the man wey dem kidnap. But security agencies then sharply respond with personnel of the Nigerian Police Force from Afuze Divisional Headquarters and the Nigerian Army then visit the scene of the crime. Them now then last arrive the location where men commit the jaguda incident, the location where men commit atrocity. The source where they pass the information give the news agency of Nigeria constantly yarn give them. Say the body of the woman, the body of the deceased, men don already deposit am for morgue. But however, my good people, we now don receive reports, we now don receive informate, we now don receive intel. Say the jaguda men, the gunmen so wey commit the atrocity, wey do the kidnapping, they don reach out to the family of the victim and they demand a ransom of 100 million naira for his release. And then to confirm the incident, men are going to try to contact Oga Moses Yamu, wey be the spokesperson of the Edo State Police Command. And in account the yarn they give men, say already 2 suspects have been arrested in connection with the crime. That to show say they don't buy the matter already. That to show say they don't already they work. That to show say already they don't they do the needful. And they go make sure say the countrymen wey men abduct, they go make sure say the countrymen wey jaguda men kidnap so go come back, and he go come back alive. Now my good people, this now the informate. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be like say you get contributions where you go like drop about the matter, no let anybody stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Edo State executive arm of government, Governor Monday Okpebholo, he now don direct a renewed and decisive clampdown on court-related violence based on the resurgence of deadly clashes in various parts of Edo State. And the order of the governor so they come in the middle of the growing concern over the repeated violations of previous peace agreements where men reach with suspected cult leaders. Men wey be don pledge before say they go reduce their numbers and they go put an end to violent activities. And now Governor Monday Okpebholo for inside statement wey released through his media aide, they expressed deep disappointment. Say men now don break the agreement wey dem get, and that dey result in renewed bloodshed and insecurity for inside Edo State. And as a response, Governor Monday Okpebholo now come dey instruct security agencies to make dem fully enforce the Edo State anti-cultism and kidnapping law. And the governor dey draw ear, dey sama warning, dey give the agency, dey give the operatives dem, say there will be no exemptions in the application of justice. No be like say they go punish this one, set this one free. No. Any person wey dem gbab say yes, he commit this offence, that person go face the full wrath of the law. If now they reaffirm the commitment of his administration to peace and security, and if dey urge residents, in dey urge men wey dey for inside Edo State, say make dem no panic at all, make dem remain calm. Say in government dey work, in government go do the needful. He say in government, in administration go diligently restore order and protect lives and properties in the affected areas. Those places wey be like say cult-related activities dey happen well, the governor dey assure dem say make they just do the calms. Although if you get as the matter be, if you get as the chaos, the violence dey happen reach, but make dem no panic at all. Help dey on the way. And about this security matter, the Edo State Police Command don yarn informate give the general public. Say normally dem wey be the police, they go make sure say dem keep the lives and properties of Edo State people safe. But e go good make Edo State people dey try work with them. As e don be now, say the Edo State governor mind true dey, and he dey provide them with equipment. He dey provide them with things and things wey they go fit mobilize, wey they go fit use take combat crime. The general public, Edo State people, they still get role to play in the matter. And as a country person wey we be, anywhere where we dey and observe something wey no nice, we observe something wey no make sense, we observe say something dey sup and that thing look illegal, e go good make you sharply report am to the nearest police station. Dem no dey advise any country person to go dey play the role of Superman, to be a superhero. Normally life no be American film. And as e come be say na only one life now we get, e go good make we first stay safe. E go good make we first hide our head, then sharply report the matter to the nearest police. And dem now go come act on the credible intel wey men submit give them. Dem now go come do their duty sake of the informate wey countrymen pass on to them. And this, my good people, na the informate, this na the report wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be like say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment, feel free make you put down your contributions inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Reality Latest Gist, and our hobby na to dey give on our latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be like say you like this update and you would like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. And also try make you dey share the news give your family and friends, so that them go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria, so that them go know wetin dey play for inside Edo State. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go gather more informates for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.